Hi there, and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration. We're back at Aldi and we are going to get shopping. Today's going to be a little bit different of a haul video. We're going to do a trunk haul, but we're still going to have the same great deals. And please make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. Let's go shopping. Alright guys, I just got out of Aldi and I'm not even gonna lie to you, I have a little bit of a bone to pick with Aldi this week. Now you know Aldi's my girl and I love her, but this one in particular, which was not the one I usually go to, but it was just like, there was nothing there. It was out of so many things. And I couldn't get the mac salad I wanted to get. They had no shredded Parmesan cheese. Half their shelves were bare. They didn't have any of the seltzer waters. They didn't have any waffles. Granted, one of their freezer cases was broken and maybe that's why. But they were missing a lot of their normal products that are usually there. Not to mention, this Aldi, I got a couple hummus and there was some hummus sitting right on the front of the shelves growing mold. So y'all, that's nasty. I'm just saying. I guess I'm gonna have to just run to another store real quick and get that. And then I will meet you back for the haul. Okay guys, here we are. I just left Wegmans, the other store I had to go to because Aldi disappointed me this week, and we have our trunk haul. Hopefully the cars are not too loud and you guys can hear me okay. Let's get started. So at Wegmans, we'll just start there. I got this here, the organic soy milk for my son. He needs that. And then I have a bag of jalapenos. I also grabbed a bag of this Vital Wheat gluten flour because there was a lot of stuff at Aldi. I'm telling you guys, the inflation is crazy right now. I will show you when I get to it what like triggered me. I've decided I'm going to start probably making a lot more of my own proteins at home, and seitan is a good one that I like doing myself. I have these tonic waters because Aldi's was out. I've never tried these ones from Wegmans. I don't think they're sweetened, which is okay with me, but I'm not sure I'm going to like them just because they look a lot like the Polar Waters, and I'm not a big fan of those. So here one more thing. And I also got this macaroni salad from Wegmans because Aldi was out again. So I snagged that. Moving on to the Aldi stuff. We have here our bananas, some flour tortillas. We're going to use these for fajitas. We got an avocado because we're making fajitas and they were on sale for 79 cents this week. Got some broccoli. Oh, and one more thing. Grab some blueberry waffles from Wegmans because again, all these without. Over here, my favorite item, we got these squeezes. They're organic. They have all different flavors, all different kinds. Got these for my son. And before we move on to the snacks, let's slide over here. Tomatoes. Roma tomatoes. Got these because these are the cheapest ones. Some peppers. These are going to be for our fajitas as well. They had these oranges on sale, the little like clementines, the Mandy's they call them there. I don't remember what they were on sale for. I'll post all the prices up at the top like I do for you guys. Then we grabbed a brick of mozzarella. I also have some of these string cheese. This is going to be for a test recipe. And last week I got the Applewood smoked Gruyere. Yeah, so my husband said he was really interested in trying the cheddar, so we're gonna do that. Underneath, I grabbed the cranberry almond chicken salad. Guys, this is really good. If you haven't given that a try, I would try this if you guys like chicken salad. I also grabbed 2 things of hummus, dill pickle, 8 ounces. This was one thing that triggered me. These are both the same price, but this one's 10 ounces and these ones are like newer packaging and they say 8 ounces. So please tell me, Aldi, you are not downsizing your hummus by 2 ounces and still charging the same price. Would not surprise me, but you know, that would stink. Some creamer. We're going for hazelnut this week because I haven't done hazelnut in a while. They had this ground beef on sale at Aldi. This one is the 73% lean. It was $9.99, 5 pounds, so I grabbed one of those. Wasn't going to, but because it was on sale, I figured I would. Also have these chicken quarters here. You can see those. These are 5.5 pounds. These were on sale this week as well. Over here, I grabbed some steak fries, and they were out of fish sticks, so I just grabbed the nuggets instead to keep those. Butter, eggs, baking stuff, you know, 'tis the season. I grabbed some diapers for my son. I do like all these diapers. They do not give me a problem. Lately I've been using like the Huggies overnights just because he's been, you know, piddling a lot at night, but these are actually really good. Have a can of pumpkin, again, test recipes. Pink Himalayan salt because my husband broke the last grinder I had, so I had to grab another one. We got some apricot preserves because my son likes to eat PB&J and I like to diversify his jelly flavorings. Oh boy. So these here are the Legends candy bar variety. I grabbed one of these last week and I've realized, because you know I'm slow on the draw, nougat and chocolate is like Three Musketeers, the cookie caramel is Twix, nougat and caramel is I believe Milky Way, and peanut and caramel is like Snickers. So I grabbed 3 of these because I don't know, Halloween's coming up and I don't know how many kids we're gonna get at our house. We got a new house, so I'm gonna have to ask my neighbors about how much candy they usually buy. So I just grabbed 3 of those to start. Aldi had these on sale. They were 99 cents, 75 antibacterial wipes, and they had a couple different scents. This one's French lavender. I have this other one here, cherry blossom, and they had like a vanilla almond. I thought those would be nice to keep by my son's changing table because I always keep hand sanitizer there anyway. 2 boxes of pasta, tricolor rotini, and a spaghetti because we are running low. I just like to keep those around. Cornstarch for baking purposes. Oh, and one more thing from Wegmans. We have the diet grapefruit soda. I really like that stuff. I just grabbed that because I couldn't find the waters. Here, this was their last bag of rye bread. I usually like the hearty rye, but literally the last one of any kind of rye they had at Aldi, so I grabbed that. And down here, I also grabbed some whole wheat bread. These I usually use for my son's lunches and breakfast toast. And then moving on to the last couple things, couple fun snacks that I got. So this week, Aldi actually is doing like a lot of German stuff. And I've bought the German stuff in the past, and it's really good. I do like it. But, you know, with the rate of inflation and things like that, I don't know. I couldn't bring myself to buy too much this week in terms of the fun stuff. But one of the things that I've had in the past are these peanut puffs. These are really good. They're like peanut butter flavored. They're kind of like the texture of Cheetos, but they're a little bit crunchier. Those are really good. So if you guys want to try those, give those a try. They had these on sale because they must just be getting rid of them. 99 cents. So I really like these. I grabbed one more of those. Grab some crackers here. This is what triggered me and sent me over the edge. These graham crackers, these are normally 99 cents. And they were 99 cents last week. And this week they're $1.25. 25% inflation, guys. Like, that is crazy. I almost had a conniption in the store seeing that. And then they had these. I got these like 2 weeks ago or so. And I got this one here. I got the caramelized onion and balsamic vinegar. This was really good. So I got the hummus to go with these. And then I haven't had the gorgonzola yet, but I thought they looked really good. So I grabbed the gorgonzola as well. So yeah, guys, that covers it. Thanks for joining me for my trunk haul, and hopefully you could hear my voice okay. And if you're interested, please stick around and catch my weekly meal inspiration. All right, so here we are for our weekly meal plan this week. Breakfast, we're going to be just doing peanut butter on toast, or we'll do a waffle and we'll serve that with fruit. Lunch is going to be a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or nuggets or fish sticks with one of our squeezes. And I realize I spelled squeeze wrong as I'm reading this. And some crackers that I have. Monday we'll be doing chicken fajitas. Tuesday we're going to do like a diner style breakfast but for dinner. We're going to have eggs, some rye toast, and some sausage. Wednesday, we will be doing pasta with Parmesan, herbs, a little olive oil, and chicken. Thursday, I'm going to be making up some chicken fried rice. Friday, I will be doing a grilled chicken sandwich with the pasta salad that I bought. Saturday, my dad's birthday actually is Wednesday, so we're celebrating my dad's birthday. My sister's making the dinner, so I don't even know what she's making yet, but Saturday will be my dad's birthday dinner, so that's covered. And then on Sunday, if you guys are a subscriber of mine, you know that I post recipes pretty frequently. So I'm going to be testing out a few recipes that I'm planning on posting throughout October. They are like Halloween themed, so they're really fun. So Sunday, we'll mostly just be eating the recipes that I'm testing. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to give this a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And I will be posting part 3, the last part of my fall baking series, on Monday with Concord grape pie bars. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you so much. Okay, I love you. Bye.